everyone! Welcome to another episode of HALINA'T MATH-TUTO sa Dasmariñas North National High School. I am your teacher-lecturer, Miss Roselvi Edrosolano. And today, we will discuss about determining arithmetic means. But before that, let us have a recall about what you have learned last time. Let's do some exercises. Determine the missing terms in the following arithmetic sequence. Number 1, 7, 13, blank. What is the missing term? You have learned from your previous lesson about common difference. It is the number added to the preceding term to get the next term. In this arithmetic sequence, the common difference is 6. 6 will be added to 7 for us to get the next term, which is 13. 13 plus 6 will give us 19, which is the missing term. Let's have number 2. 10 blank 26. So what is the missing term between 10 and 26? In this arithmetic sequence, the common difference is 8. 10 plus 8 will give us the missing term, which is 18. 18 plus 8 will give us the last term, which is 26. Now let's have number 3. Negative 12 blank negative 24. So what is the missing term between negative 12 and negative 24? In this arithmetic sequence, the common difference is negative 6. So negative 12 plus negative 6, we will have the missing term, which is negative 18. Then negative 18 plus negative 6, we will get the last term, which is negative 24. Now let's have the last number. Number 4, 21 blank blank 6. In this arithmetic sequence, two terms are missing between 21 and 6. So what is the common difference in this arithmetic sequence? The common difference is negative 5. So 21 plus negative 5 will give us the missing term, which is 16. 16 plus negative 5 will give us the other missing term, which is 11. 11 plus negative 5, we will have 6 as the last term. So the two missing terms in this sequence are 16 and 11. Now let's have the objectives of our lesson for today. In this video, the learners will be able to: number 1, define and illustrate arithmetic means. And number 2, solve for the arithmetic means between two terms. The most essential learning competency determines arithmetic means and term of an arithmetic sequence and some of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. Now let's have the definition of arithmetic means. Arithmetic means are the numbers in between two terms in a finite arithmetic sequence. The first and the last terms of a finite arithmetic sequence are called arithmetic extremes. Now let's have some examples. 12, 15, 18, 21. 12 is the first term and 21 is the last term. The number in between 12 and 21 are 15 and 18, and they are called arithmetic means. 12 is the first term and 21 is the last term, and they are called arithmetic extremes. Now let's have another example. 27, 20, and 13. 27 is the first term and 13 is the last term. The number in between the first term and the last term is 20, and that is called arithmetic mean. 27 is the first term and 13 is the last term, and they are called arithmetic extremes. The arithmetic mean between two terms is often called as the average of the numbers. If two or more arithmetic means are to be inserted between two terms, the formula in solving for the common difference is needed. For further understanding, let's have our example number 1. Solve for the arithmetic mean between 17 and 65. Solution: solve for the average to determine the arithmetic mean between 17 and 65. To do the average, we will just add the first term and the last term, and then we will divide it by 2. So 17 is the first term plus 65 is the last term will be equal to 82. And then 82 divided by 2 will give us 41. And 41 is the arithmetic mean between 17 and 65. Let's proceed to example number 2. Determine the arithmetic mean between negative 15 and 4. Solution: solve for the average to determine the arithmetic mean between negative 15 and 4. Again, we will do the average. The first term is negative 15 plus the last term is 4. So negative 15 plus 4 will be equal to negative 11. And then we will divide it by 2. The answer is negative 5.5. So the arithmetic mean between negative 15 and 4 is negative 5.5. What if 2 or more arithmetic means are to be inserted? Now let's do our example number 3. Insert 2 arithmetic means between 3 and 21. So that will be 3 blank blank 21. Solution: to determine what will be added to each term, we have to find the common difference using the formula. The formula given as D is equal to A sub n minus A sub k all over n minus k. Again, this is read as D equals A sub n minus A sub k all over n minus k, where A sub n is the last number, A sub k is the first number, n is the position of the last number, and k is the position of the first number. And to do the solution, let us first identify what are the given. A sub n is equal to 21. A sub n is the last term. A sub k is equal to 3. A sub k is the first term. N is equal to 4. N is the number of terms in the sequence. K is equal to 1. Now let's use the formula. D is equal to A sub n minus A sub k all over n minus k. Thus, D is equal to 21, the last term, minus 3, the first term, over 4, which is n, minus 1, which is k. Then do the operation. 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And then, we will divide 18 and 3. 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. What is 6? 6 is the common difference. What we will do with the common difference? We will add the common difference 6 to each term. Again, the given terms are 3 blank blank 21. We will add 3 plus 6, the common difference, for us to get the next term or the missing term, which is 9. 9 plus 6 will give us 15, which is also the missing term. Then, 15 plus 6, we will get 21. Therefore, the arithmetic means between 3 and 21 are 9 and 15, respectively. Now let's have the summary of our lesson. Solving for the arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. Number 1. To solve for the arithmetic mean between two terms is just by adding the two numbers and divide it by 2, which is also known as average. Number 2. To solve arithmetic means two or more means between two terms is just by using the formula to get the common difference. And the formula for the common difference is D is equal to A sub n minus A sub k over n minus k. The common difference will be added to the preceding term to get the next terms. And that will be all for today's episode. Again, I am your teacher lecturer, Ms. Rosel B. Edrosolano. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel so you will be updated with our latest video tutorials about learning math in HALINA'T MATH-TUTO.